Alright, let's go over this problem. So we were trying to find cosine of pi over 2, pi over 12, and it's a fraction, it's in radians, and so I would just like to put everything in denominators of 12. Now, the easiest ones, if I look at my unit circle, for example, pi over 6. That's just equivalent to what class? 2 pi over 12. And then you have 3 pi over 12. 4 pi over 12. Does that make sense? And so those reduce to pi over 3 and pi over 4. Partner A, tell partner B, what is the formula you're going to write down? Jocelyn, what is the formula?
Cosine of A times cosine of B plus sine of A times sine of B.
Raise your hand if you got that. Okay. So let's go ahead and highlight. This is going to be my A value. Here's my B value. Pay attention. Does not include a negative sign. Let's do a substitution together, class. What am I going to write? Plus now we're just going to look at our unit circle. Cosine at pi over 3. Cosine is the first one, so I get 1/2. Cosine at pi over 4. Radical 2 over 2. Sine at pi over 3. And sine at pi over 4. Now we're just going to multiply across. Class, this becomes what? Radical 2 over 4. Radical 6 over 4. And I have a common denominator, so I can do radical 2 plus radical 6 over 4 equals cosine of pi over 12. Raise your hand if you got that as your answer. Now I do want to talk to what happens if you had switched these, my A and the B values. You'll notice that the math operations change. If you did a problem where we did previously, let's just say you put 45 here and the 30 here. Does it change your answer? It won't change your answer. Okay? But for subtraction, that is a big deal. So in this case, order does matter.